find the area bounded by the x-axis and y equals x squared plus 2x. So for something like this, a sketch would help you a lot. So if y equaled x squared minus 2x, well, that factorizes. That's x minus 2. So using the null factor law, you know this has got roots at x equals 0 and x equals 2. So you also know it's a positive quadratic, so it is going to cross at 0 and at 2. And it's a nice smiley face positive quadratic, a bit wonky, something like that. So that's y equals x squared minus 2x. The other graph, or the other line, is the x-axis, which is, you can think of it as the line y equals 0, I guess, just like that. So that can be y equals 0. And we want to find the area bounded between these two lines. So the area bounded is this bit here. Okay, so that's, you've got one line and another line, and the bit that's the area that's trapped between the intersections of those lines, basically. So we can use integration to find this. So this, if we call this the area equals the integral between the two limits, or the two limits will be the intersection points. So that is, there's one at 0 and there's one at 2. Now what you can do, you need to work out which function's on top. So all the way through here, the function that returns the highest y values is this y equals 0. So we can say, if we do use this as the f of x being the function that gives the highest values minus g of x, the function that gives the lowest. So it's 0 minus x squared minus 2x. So it's all of that with respect to x. So what this is, it's the integral of the upper function minus the lower function with respect to x. So I wouldn't necessarily always do it like this, but I think it will probably help you going forward when you have functions that are more complicated than the x-axis, for example. So this is the integral from 0 to 2. Well, this 0 minus this, all you need to do is swap the signs. So it's minus x squared plus 2x dx. Okay, so then we just need to find the antiderivative and integrate, and then evaluate it at 2 and at 0. So that equals, well, x squared is going to go to x cubed over 3, so minus x squared is going to be minus x cubed over 3, minus x cubed over 3, plus, well, this is going to be 2x squared over 2, so actually, in the interest of space saving, 2x squared over 2, I'm just going to call it x squared. So that's the antiderivative. We evaluate it at 2 and 0. So that means we plug 2 into here, we plug 0 into there, and we take one away from the other. So it equals minus 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 squared minus, oh, it's just 0, minus 0 cubed over 3 plus 0 squared. So the second bracket is obviously 0. So 2 cubed is 8. 8 times minus 1 is minus 8. So it's minus 8 over 3 plus, well, it's 2 squared is 4. So 4 is 4 over 1, which must be 12 over 3 plus 12 over 3. So minus 8 plus 12 is 4. So that's 4 over 3, which as a mixed number must be 1 and 1/3. And it's an area, so we'll go units squared.